Hi, I'm Mark Allen. I'm a professor in the Electrical and Systems Engineering Department and also director of the Singh Center for Nanotechnology here on campus. And I want to tell you about some things that happened a long time ago in 1959. Now, 1959 is a long time ago. It was even before I was born, so that must have been a while ago. And there was a very smart person there who, in the midst of all of this outward-looking, let's explore outer space mania that was going on at the time, saying, gee, maybe what we ought to do is look at the very small instead of only looking at the very big. And so he challenged people to look at, is it possible to do things on the tiniest of scales? And there were a few challenges that he issued. One of them was to make a little tiny motor that would be able to be fully functional, but would operate at these very smallest of scales. Well, at the time, there wasn't a lot of information about how to do that, but over the years, we've had a tremendous growth in the integrated circuit fabrication technology, which was created the world we now take for granted. So people started to think, could we use those same sort of technologies, those same sort of machines that build these integrated circuits to build small mechanical structures that could do things like sense the environment in which they are existing, turn that into an electrical signal, and then transmit it out to something else. And it turns out the answer to that was yes. And that's my own research area, the area of micro-electro-mechanical systems. Started off in the 80s as being the thing that turned cars from very, very inefficient vehicles to very great gas mileage and great performance that we know today by studying the cars with sensors. Then they moved into the handhelds and the games that we all currently enjoy, and then turned into these cell phones that are full of these sorts of devices, accelerometers, microphones, and gyroscopes. And now I think what's upcoming is the Internet of Things and also biological sensors, sensors that were small enough they can go into our body and tell doctors what might be wrong with us. So if you have a chance and want to learn more about this, please come over and visit us at the Singh Center. It's the building of Orange and Glass over on Walnut Street, hard to miss. So we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.